How to transfer Worldcoin to PayPal. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now, in order to transfer Worldcoin to PayPal, what you're gonna have to do is simply download the World app on your smartphone. So you can download the app on your iOS device or Android device. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the wallet section on the app, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply link your credit card or bank account, and then you're gonna have to transfer the money from your Worldcoin app to your bank or credit card account. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to PayPal, then simply go to wallet. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply either link a bank or a card depending on what you use to withdraw the money from the Worldcoin app. And after you link your bank account or credit card, click on it and then simply select set as preferred. So basically they're gonna use this when you shop or send money for goods and services. So basically that's all you have to do in order to transfer Worldcoin to PayPal. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.